Techniblogic.com.
Hi guys, Nick here from Techniblogic.com, and today we are having the latest earphones from Blitzwolf, which is BW ES2. So this is the packing, which is quite good with rubric finish all over. I have already unboxed many other earphones from Blitzwolf previously on my channel. So this is the box. When I open up the box, here I get a user manual and nothing much to see in the manual as of now. So after opening it further, we get a pouch which is also made up of quite good high quality material. So this is the pouch. I just open it further, and after opening it up, here first I get the earphones which are totally wrapped, and after that I get a collar clip which is required by some of the users and some don't use it. After that we get some extra ear tips of different ear sizes. Whichever you want to use, you can use it according to your usage. After that I just keep the pouch aside and coming directly to the earpiece and remove that velcro from it. The quality of the cable is really good. It is quite long, 1.2 meters approximately, and the rubber coating and the flexibility of the cable is quite good. And we also get a mic inside it, which is having three buttons onto it. One is play pause button and one is volume up, volume down, as well as you can use them for changing the track to next track or previous track, whichever you want to use. It depends on you. Long press, you will change the song. Single press, you will increase the volume button, and mic will work perfectly fine. So this is the design. The design is being changed from the previous earphones. It seems to be a little bit bulky, but the quality and the weight of the earphones are quite low. Previous earphones was little bit heavy compared to these one. So when you plug these earphones into your ears, it is not going to drop down. It will perfectly fit into your ears, so you won't be facing any issue while using them. Now coming to the sound quality, I'm using these earphones from past 1 week now, and the bass I will give them 5 on 5 because the bass are really good. After that, coming to the treble part, it is also good. They have given bass to as extra level and treble little bit low, depends on the customer what they actually want, because these days bass is more natural and more people want more bass in their earphones, and you can actually switch that bass and treble using the equalizer in your phone. So overall the sound quality is top notch, and in this pricing I think this is quite good to buy, and I have not paid any custom duty because I have imported it from China from banggood.com, so no issues with that. You also get a golden plated jack, as you can see, which is also quite good. Rest, the strength of the cable is quite good. As you can see, I am stretching it and it is not going to affect your earphones in long scenario. It is also having dual drivers into it, so that's why the sound quality is also immense, and the bass is also quite good. These are the new technology which is being used by Blitzwolf in their earphones. I just tried to put these earphones into my phone, which is X21 as of now, and I just make you hear that how it exactly sound. It is not the perfectly sound because the mic I'm using in my camera is not a professional mic, but you will get an idea that what is the sound output when I increase the volume to full on my phone. So these are the earphones. Hope you guys going to like it. You can get it quite easily with a very cheap price, nothing more to pay. The links are given in the description down below. If you have some particular question, do comment down below. I will be replying back to each and every question. So that's it for the video guys. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of this stuff, be sure to the like button and do comment and subscribe. You can also follow me on Twitter and make sure to check out my other YouTube videos. So see you guys in my next video. Till then, see ya and keep rocking.